Welcome to this Baselab Tools informational video. In this video, we will be looking at our line of half-inch diameter posts and their accessories. Baselab Tools currently sells stainless steel half-inch diameter posts with a 1/4-20 tap on one end and an 832 tap on the other with an included 832 set screw. Each post has a metric equivalent with a 12.7mm diameter, M4 tapped holes, and M6 tapped holes. The accessories mentioned in this video also have a metric equivalent. First, let's talk about the half-inch diameter posts. These posts are a standard component in the photonics lab. Baselab Tools currently sell sizes ranging from 3/4 of an inch long to 18 inches long. At one end is a 1/4-20 tapped hole, and at the other end is an 832 tapped hole with an included 832 set screw. The metric equivalents range from 18mm to 450mm and have M6 tapped holes and M4 set screws in place of their imperial equivalents. All posts have a 1/4 inch cross-drilled hole to provide aid in tightening and loosening the post. Let's look at an example of how a half-inch diameter post can be used. Here we have an SAB 1218 solid aluminum breadboard as our surface, with a PSH 130 post holder used to hold our post in place. The post holder has been mounted on a BAS 002 mounting base, which has been clamped down with a CLA 015 adjustable mounting clamp. On this post is an FOM 010 fixed optic mount, which includes a retaining ring to secure an optic up to 9.5mm thick. This is mounted on using the 832 set screw in the half-inch post. Now, let's take a look at the accessories for the half-inch diameter posts. First is the PST 900 right angle clamp. The half-inch diameter right angle clamp mounts two half-inch diameter posts at a 90-degree angle to each other. The PST 900 uses the same flexure grip design as Baselab Tools post holders to provide a far more secure mounting surface than inferior screw-against post solutions. The 1/4-20 thumb screws can be tightened by hand, with a ball driver, or with a hex key. The metric version features 12.7mm diameter holes with M6 thumb screws. Back in our previous setup, let's use the PST 900 right angle clamp on our half-inch diameter posts. In this example, we have one post mounted vertically through one of the holes in the PST 900. The second post is mounted horizontally through the second hole in the PST 900. Both were tightened using a 3/16 ball driver. Now you can attach your optics to your posts. Next is the PST 910 sliding mount stop. The sliding mount stop for half-inch diameter posts is ideal for applications where a component is mounted off a post. The flexure grip on the post provides a far more secure mounting surface than inferior screw-against post solutions. The PST 910 also functions as a stop, allowing an entire post assembly to be removed from a post holder and then put back in the same position. The imperial version features an 832 tapped mounting hole and locking screw, while the metric version features an M4 tapped mounting hole and locking screw. Back in our setup, let's install the PST 910 sliding mount stop and attach an ALM 010 adjustable lens mount on the side. First, position the sliding mount stop to your desired location and tighten the screw with a ball driver or hex key. Next, place an 832 cap screw into the side of the mount using a ball driver or hex key, leaving room for the lens mount to be installed. Place a notch of the lens mount on the cap screw and tighten it into place. Now your setup is ready for use. Lastly is the PST 920 6-way post joiner. The 6-way half-inch diameter post joiner makes it simple to build three-dimensional structures from PST posts. The solid aluminum black anodized joiner has tapped holes on all 6 sides. 3 adjoining sides have 832 tapped holes, and the opposite 3 adjoining sides have 1/4-20 tapped holes. Back in our setup, let's use the metric post joiner with metric posts. So far, the joiner cube has one approach attached using one of its M4 tapped holes. Let's install a second post by screwing in the M4 set screw in the 12.7mm diameter post into the M4 tapped hole. To finish installing it, insert a ball driver into the through hole in the post and firmly twist until the post is tightened. Now your setup is ready for use. Thanks for watching this Baselab Tools informational video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more informational videos like this, consider subscribing. For more information about these posts and accessories and other Baselab Tool products, visit www.baselabtools.com. Link is in the description below.